Cindy A. Lewis here. Welcome. I'm so excited that you're here. This is just going to be a quick video. I thought about even just doing it live, but I didn't. Today I had a special invitation to go do a little shopping, and my son's girlfriend, Kirsten, invited me for a couple of hours, and we went out and we showed up at Goodwill. And I wanted to show you a few things that I found at Goodwill. And I just want to remind everybody, we take these old books that are sitting at Goodwill or at a yard sale or in, like the throwaway bin, and we upcycle them and we give them new life. And so I wanted to show you a few things that I found. This one I'm probably going to keep because I don't have it and I love Dr. Seuss books. Please try to remember the 1st of October. And I have never read this, so I'm going to have to read it and find out what that means because I've never read it. But I love those and I collect them, so I have them downstairs. But these two golden books could easily be fun journals or even the pages inside. So giving new life to old books that may end up at a landfill is really important to me. Then there is this cute dinosaur book, and it's really nice chipboard, and I don't plan to use this. Oh, you can see my light. Look at that. Ooh. I don't plan to use this for a junk journal. I'm going to keep it so that when I have little friends come over, they have something to read. And then I found for 99 cents these index cards for, like your index. These are dividers for your index cards. And there are 31. So I'm going to be able to use these for journals. And I'm excited about that for 99 cents. And then I found some bigger books. Now, can't you see a journal with this book? This is huge. I don't even know about the book. 3 plums in 1. It's humongous. It's got a great spine. It is from, I'm trying to find the copyright date of when it was published. 1997 was the last one, so this was a 1997. This is a good, 2.5 inch, 3 inches. Oh, nope, 2 inch spine. This is huge, so I was thinking big, but that's great. Now, I could sew some, like 5 signatures in that one. Then, look what we found. A Reader's Digest book, and I love the Reader's Digest books because they are nice spines to use for journals. And then this one is Found Faithful, and it's just an old book, and I just love old books, 1953. So anyway, I hope you love books as much as I do, and I love giving them new life. The only other thing only other store we went to had time was Home Goods, and I hardly ever get down there, but we had a good time and found some fun napkins. I want to show you these. And I was telling Kirsten that we can make faux rice paper with napkins, and she really wants to do that. So maybe she can help me film that. Would you like that? Research a film of that. And then here's some really fun fall napkins that are this beautiful green, and these would be really fun to play with also. But you don't have to just make faux rice paper. You can just have fun putting them in your journals. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.